wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super Service wishes you a happy Father's Day. To every dad who keeps love moving, to every father lighting up the way, Super Service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super Service wishes happy Father's Day. We are here to help your family, every mile, every smile, every day. You carry the keys, you carry the load, you guide the family down the road with patient hands and a heart so true. There's so much good because of you. You show up strong when life gets long. You teach us how to keep moving on. You fix the little things with care, and somehow love is always there. Super Service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super Service wishes happy Father's Day. From our family to your family, may joy and love surround your day. We are the friendlier and more helpful auto and fleet repair shops here for you. Serving Orange County, Riverside County, and Los Angeles County too. We make it easy to do business with us. We're here to help you feel at peace. Whether it's family cars, work trucks, or fleet vehicles, we help keep life moving with honesty. Welcome, European, domestic, Asian, Japanese, hybrid, electric, EV, diesel vehicles and fleet vehicles too. Super Service is here for your family. Super Service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super Service wishes happy Father's Day. For the dads who protect what matters, for the dads who lead with love each day. Don't forget to schedule your 70-point vehicle inspection with a free AC performance check today. Repairs are extra. We'll explain it clearly and help you choose the right way. 24/7 easy online appointments, made simple when life gets busy. Because dads have places to go and families have memories to make easily. You are the morning coffee, the steady voice, the helping hand, the backyard laugh, the long drive home, the one who helps us stand. You are the road trip captain, the weekend coach, the fixing friend, the quiet strength behind the scenes, the love that never ends. Super Service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super Service wishes happy Father's Day. To the grandpa, stepdads, dads by heart, and every father showing love today. We are here to help you keep moving with service that feels honest and true. Friendlier and more helpful every time. That's what Super Service wants for you. Orange County, Riverside County, Los Angeles County, hear us say, Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops wish you a magical Father's Day. For every dad who drives to work, for every dad who brings them home, for every dad who gives his best. You never walk this road alone. From brakes to tires, from AC to care, from inspections to repairs done right. We're here to help your family feel safe. 70-point vehicle inspection with a free AC performance check today. Repairs are extra. We'll help you clearly and make it easy all the way. 24/7 easy online appointments when your schedule needs a helping hand. Super service is here for families across Southern California land. Super service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Thank you for the strength you give. Thank you for the love you share each day. Oh, super service wishes you a happy Father's Day. Super service wishes you a happy Father's Day. From our shops to every father, we celebrate you in a super way.